Hi everybody, this is Joe. I'm the IT librarian at Churchill County Library, and today I'm going to show you how to use the app version of our new media database, hoopla. So, this is what the app looks like, little blue square. And when we open it up, for the first time, it's going to ask us to log in. So if we don't already have a login, we're going to do sign up. Sign up. There we go. And we'll put our email address, our password, and for now we don't need to worry about the library card because that's the next step. So putting in email address, doing it again, making a password. Do not use this as your password. Okay. Oops, doesn't like my password. Okay, once we've done that, we hit next. Okay, so it will, if you have location turned off, it will ask you if it can turn it on so it can find your library. So I'm going to let it do that. And so it's searching. So here's all the libraries that have access to Hoopla nearby. And this is us, Churchill County. We say next. Okay, now it's going to ask for the library card number. So this is full number, no spaces. Then we hit the sign up button. Okay, and we see success. So these accounts allow 7 borrows per month. So let's go see what's in there. Okay, so the big thing to look at in Hoopla is to know that if you search, it searches everything. It's not searching just ebooks, it's not searching just audiobooks. It'll show you trending stuff, but let's search for some music. So I really like this album, so I will see if I can find it in Hoopla. And it can. So it's searched, again, it found everything for the search result, not just music. It found an ebook. It found audio, oh no, that's music too. No, it found an audiobook as well. So once we want to borrow something, we'll go click on the thing we want to borrow, and we say borrow. So music goes for 7 days, TV and movies go for 7 days, and everything else goes for 3 weeks, like a library book. And so yes, I want to borrow it. And then when I want to listen to it, I go back out home. And there it is. So I would just click on it and then I can listen. So again, it's got audiobooks, music, ebooks, movies, comics, TV. It works on anything with an internet connection. For iOS and Android, there's an app. And any questions, give us a call. Okay, have fun.